Getting ready to put on 10 minutes in the pressure cooker. Baboy Sinigang. 10 minutes, pressure cooker, completed. Green beans. After the green beans, mustard greens or curly mustard greens. Mash it down. Try to get it under the water line. Did you get it down to the water line? 3 minutes on high temp. 3-minute timer on the veggies are done. Opening it. Watch the steam. There you go. Veggies are cooked. Gonna go ahead and stir it up. One-handed. Let's get some of that pork coming out. There you go. See how the bones are coming out? That's what you want. Let it sit in there for a little bit, and it's ready to eat after it cools down a little bit. Cheese!